So what I'm going to do obviously with my repair section is I'll get him roughly in the right kind of position there, clamp him in. Luckily it overlaps just about perfect amount. And I clamp him all in, mark him on this side and cut it ready, and then cut this, well, pull the rest of this off because it's going to fall off anyway. So we've got a little bit more access to the boot floor, and then we'll continue from there. That's how rotten it is. Look at that, shocking. So yeah, like I said, I start cleaning up some of the metal, nice and easy. Not done a great job yet, obviously we're going to do a lot more, get it as shiny as possible. Clean some of this rust off, get some treatment on it, etc. It just ran out of treatment typically, I need to get some more. Same down this edge, obviously going to keep going until I find the spot welds, if it's even been spot welded before, who knows, if I've had any old repair this thing. I can show you this, look at their repair in the past. You can tell it's done by some sketchy bugger, because it's got shape welds like what I'd do. But it's been like, just layered, this whole repair piece, you can see. Okay, Billy bodged it here. I'm going to try and see if I can peel it back off the same way they did, just so I get a bit more of a understanding how bad if this needs replacing or not. It's hard to tell yet, but yeah, I just basically flattened it over there, just mashed it over the top, and this is like, I don't know, it's a plate or whether it's been double skinned. So yeah, as typical, as I start investigating more, you can definitely tell it's been double skinned. I mean, is this normal? Someone let me know in the comment section. Do minis normally come with double skin boots, or is it just the repairs that don't? So yeah, I mean, the funny thing with this is, look at this. This is filler. Lots and lots of actual filler, just Billy bodged over the top. Or underneath, technically, the boot skin. I mean, why have we done this? I don't understand. So I thought I'd show you this. So the extreme bodging someone has done in the past, I just don't understand why you would. Surely you'd just cover it in like underseal or something. Why filler? Yeah, it looks like I was right. Someone had, weirdly, they'd done a repair panel before, because this is extremely new metal. Billy bodged it here by the looks, somewhere. You can see kind of some remnants of an old weld here. Pretty good welding, I think, by the looks of it. And then, I don't know why, they've done a double skin. Very confused. I managed to cut some of it here. I mean, this is all, outer skin's pretty rotten. This piece, though, really good. So yeah, anyway, next job is me to keep getting this shit off as much as I can, so I get a better idea of at least what's going on here in the boot floor. Maybe then try and clean it up and have a look about repairing just this, whatchamacallit piece, the outer piece. It's the only bit that I need to do in the looks. So yeah, it's kind of mystery. I think I've kind of solved it, I guess. Yes! At some point they must have had a spare wheel or something in here, and must have rotten around it, because it does circle right the way around, look. Unless this was original, I'm not sure. I can't see it being original, but I don't know. Yeah, you can see what they've done, and that's where there's a hole in the inside, where obviously their weld's starting to come undone a bit. Can't be factory because of that, and the weld's shite as well, so yeah, very interesting indeed. Let's see about trying to get this out. Might have to take the panel out there, at least take this bit here. Yeah, and then go from there, and then I'll look at the boot floor then. I'm going to pry this out as well just to see, because it looks like it's going to come out pretty easy, so yeah. I might even just cut, I mean this whole bit's actually not come out anyway, so measure roughly how far in, leave a good piece, and then just cut this out. Maybe in line with these amounts here. Cut across now, and then yeah, go from there. Let there be light so you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, I've cut a bit more out so you can see at least the shape, how it's supposed to go. Again, I'm making all this up as we go. That side needs to be cut out still, yeah, right up to there. That mount's okay. This one, again, it's salvageable probably. It might be worth me just looking to buy a new one anyway, because I don't think they're that expensive, providing they ever turn up. It's just that bottom corner over there, it's a bit daft, so I'm going to have to try and figure out a way of fixing that. And then obviously the battery box, and then the boot floor. So the boot floor repair panel is going to be a tricky bugger to fit in. I think once I cut this side out and then straight across, I'll get a better idea of at least how it'll slot in when I push it under. So yeah, that's the next job. Alright guys, final update. A lot more has happened, as you can tell. This is still just clamped into place. We've cut out a load of the boot floor, and that silly little panel thing, can't remember what the hell they're called, underneath. Yeah, I do realise this side, luckily I've got the panel, but this side's on the rot too, look. I mean, it's probably somewhat fixable, but I might as well do the same thing I've done on that end, cut this side off too. Definitely gonna be very cagey when I do that, but I've got the panel, so why not? Next thing to do, obviously, definitely next video because I'm knackered, is going to be mock up that boot floor. Yeah. Hopefully then we can use like the outside edge of this, just for now, just to get it all roughly in place on both sides. I have to, like, even if I've got to weld something in there just to get the shape right for now, we'll have to do just some little strips or something, and we'll go from there. So yeah, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.